In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove your status from WhatsApp on an iPhone and on an Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and on an iPhone, first off, open up WhatsApp app. Then, down below here at the bottom left corner, tap Add Status. It will show you your current status and all the statuses of your contacts for the last 24 hours. First off, you need to tap right here where it says My Status. I've recently shared a status with my contacts, and if I want to delete this, all I have to do is just tap right here at three dots next to it, then tap at Delete, and then delete one status update. That's how we can delete a status on an iPhone. On an Android, the process is very similar, but it is slightly different. And first off, we need to open up WhatsApp, obviously. After that, right over here next to chats, we can easily find status. In the same way, it will show you your current status and statuses of your contacts down below here. And if you want to delete your status, you need to tap right here at three dots. Then three dots again, and then delete and delete to confirm it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.